What's happening, y'all? It's your boy Brahim Lard, aka Mr. Grinder Starve, back with another starve-free strategy video for you. In this video, I just want to share some testimonies from members in our community. We have a community of over 47,000 people that have been following a step-by-step proven system, a blueprint, if you will, that has made over thousands of five-figure earners just this year alone in 2024, including myself, has made over 32 six-figure earners and has made 13 seven-figure earners just this year. What I want to share with you guys are testimonies from some of our community members that have really, that this opportunity has really changed their lives, and just let you see a bit of their stories and what this could possibly do for you going forward in 2025. If you guys are looking to start an online business, there's a few things that you want to consider. You're going to want to consider, okay, can I get 100% profits? No more are the days of network marketing where you're selling somebody else's product or services for small portions of the commission. You want to get 100% profits. 2, how much of your time will this business take? This opportunity only takes 2 hours out of every single day, which you can break up any kind of way that you want, but it only takes 2 hours out of your day. And 3, and so you want that little bit of time because you don't want a side hustle or online business that's going to take up massive amount of time and take away more time from your family. And 3 is, can this business be automated? We teach you how you can start an online business, very low startup costs, no overhead, no monthly fees, rejection-free business, but how you can automate this business to where you are making money in your sleep. So if you guys are looking to start an online business in 2025, this is the business model that you're going to want to look at, and the link is in the description. But in the meantime, here's some words from the members of our community and how this opportunity has helped them. See you guys on the other side.
My name is Latoya Baptiste. I am from Lafayette, Louisiana, and I am just so thankful and grateful to have access to this amazing blueprint, such an amazing opportunity. You know, you're looking at someone who's very familiar with business. I've been in business for over 12 years. I'm very familiar with passive income. I too have earned passive income. I made 6 figures. You know, I'm basically just recently recovering from a debilitating condition that had me down for the past 2 years. And guess what, y'all? My income dropped 350%. I wish I would have access to the blueprint sooner, but nonetheless, I'm happy I have access to it now. But what is so exciting about this blueprint, guys, is just the details within it. You know, I have spent countless of dollars on products and programs and to assist me with digital marketing, but it was always missing something. You had to pay monthly, you had to pay more, and it never gave you everything. I was able to see the passive income here, and what it does is basically it's automated. So it allows you to truly experience passive income on another level. I enjoy about it, you know, it's no chargebacks, no MLM. When you get paid, you get paid. Another thing I'm so super excited about is the 100% profit. You know, if you have any type of knowledge of brokerage system or affiliate marketing, you don't get 100% of the profit. There's no middleman. You're not getting crumbs of what's actually being paid. I'm looking forward to doing amazing things, helping a lot of people. That is in my heart. That's in my nature. That's what I love to do, is help people. So what an amazing opportunity to be able to share this with others. Thank you guys so much for creating this.
Hi, my name is Heather. One of the reasons why I purchased a 6-figure blueprint was to learn more skills on how to use social media to promote my online business. Since purchasing the 6-figure blueprint, I have been learning those skills, but also learning how to put my business on autopilot. So it's out there working for me 24/7 while I am working a full-time job, spending time with friends and family. It's out there still working for me. And all by just really working a couple hours a day, creating the correct content to my ideal customer. And also some of the goals that I have made for myself for this year is to have financial cushion for expenses that come along, but also to help as many people as I can experience that same financial cushion with daily pay, because I just want as many people to experience that as possible.
Exciting. You know, in my application, I said to you that, Michelle, I have tried every business model under the sun for the last 10 years. And when I say I tried everything, I really mean it. I've tried everything. Okay. So, and I've always been a person who I knew if I could find the right system, the right mentor, the right product, and sort of be in the right community, that I would have success. So that's why I literally have tried everything. I think what attracted me to the Legacy Builder program, number one, was there was so many things that sort of checked the boxes that made sense of to why I didn't have success in the past. So we say all the time that, it used to be hard to get customers. I come from the days where you either had to have an email list or you had to go out and buy traffic and pay for ads. Mm-hmm. So when you started talking about this free method to post organic videos on social media, I'm like, oh my gosh, the light bulb went off. I'm like, of course, right? But I knew, as someone who's tried other business models, I knew that you needed other things to be successful. And the things that I looked for as an entrepreneur, number one, I need to know that the product is valuable and that it delivers results. I need to know that there's support, that I'm not going to write a check or make a payment and then I'm on my own. So check that box. I knew how powerful the community was and how supportive the community was. But then to take it even further, as someone who is very much into digital marketing, I knew you had to have a system, a process to sell. And that's where that automation piece came in for me. And that sort of sealed the deal for me, because I knew that if we could have a very good automated system out there working for me, and I could just drive traffic and let that thing do its work and be my little employee, and all I have to do is keep pushing, and that thing would sort of filter out those that are interested, great, those that aren't, great. So it's sort of, for me, Michelle, Legacy checked all the boxes that I personally needed to get back into business and building something online for myself.
Wow, I love that. So now that you're in the community, what has happened or what have you experienced that you never expected to experience?
I mean, flat out, the first thing I'm going to say is what you've built as far as a community and the support and the infrastructure is unlike anything that I've seen in my 15 years of doing these opportunities. I mean, when I say, like, I'm in all of these other communities, I've tried all these other products. I go out and test, like, what's working. And I can tell you right now, the Legacy Builder program far exceeds anything I have ever been in, anything that I am currently in and looking at. The amount of support in the training, in the coaching of what's working now. You say all the time it's about mindset, right? It doesn't matter how good your product is or your systems are. If your mind's not right, then nothing's going to work. And I think what the Legacy community provides is that mindset, really keeping people on track and motivated, because it's going to be a roller coaster, right? It's not the path to success doesn't look like this. It's going to be highs and lows, and the real people that survive in this space, when they're down here, they have support and community to bring them up. And that, to me, is what the Legacy community does. It's a support system.
Wow, I love that. And that is so well said. And, that is the reason why we created the community, to have that thriving environment. So for somebody looking at the Legacy Builder program, what piece of advice would you give them?
Do it. Do it. I don't think there's ever been a better time in my last 15 years than right now. It's sort of all of this. I say it like all of the stars are aligned. We have a high demand product. We have an infrastructure, a system, and a community that is there to support. We have a automated system that's going to do all the work for you. I tell people all the time that are on the fence, the risk is so low and the reward is so high. Just give it a shot. And what I always tell people is you might surprise yourself. I've seen people in this industry that, for all intents and purposes, you would never think that they would have the amount of success that they're having. They have a normal background. They've never done any of this before. And they come in and it's like they become these superstars. So My advice is get into this community and experience what it's like to be uplifted by tens of thousands of like-minded people all over the world that all have a common goal, and that's to have success and fun along the way.
Oh, I love that. Thank you so much for taking the time and sharing with me. I really appreciate it.
Thanks, Michelle.
All right, guys, so you heard it. So inspirational and so true. My story is very similar to theirs. I was struggling very much when I started this back in May of 2024, and to be able to make 5 figures, get out of debt, have money in the bank, stop living paycheck to paycheck, it's been a true blessing. So if you guys want to check out our community, if you want to join our community, hit the link in the description. All of the information is there. There's also payment plan options available if you were struggling like I was when I got started. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anybody that's looking for a side hustle and looking to make their 2025 the best 2025 they ever had. Until I see you all again, peace out from Mr. Grinder Starve.